everyone, this is Indian Mommy Lisa. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to me yet, do subscribe because I talk about a lot of skin cares. So today I have a face mask that I really want to try, and I want to be consistent. I want to give this face mask a fair enough of time so that I will know that if it works or not. I will be using this mask, this turmeric DIY mask on my face for 7 days, and we will test if it really works. We have turmeric in it. Turmeric has antibacterial properties, so it actually can be effective in controlling the acne itself or the pimple. And we have besan in it that really helps in controlling the production of oil in the face. So I am a pretty oily person, so besan will be very important. Besan is gram flour. And we have yogurt. Yogurt is known to moisturize the face, so it is going to be very moisturizing. And we have lemon. Lemon is known to have vitamin C in it, and we all know how vitamin C is important in our face. But lemon is a very difficult thing to use. My skin is not that sensitive, so I don't think I will have any problem with lemon, but people with sensitive skin can really have a problem with lemon. It can really irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin. So I don't have sensitive skin. My skin goes well with everything, every treatment, every serum or any active ingredient that I use. I don't get any irritation with anything, so I will be using that. So let's get started and see what happens. My 7 days of this face mask challenge is over, and thankfully I am not stained permanently. It actually did not stain my face that much. I don't know why. And also when I applied the face wash, the stain just went away, so you don't have to worry about turmeric staining your face. The turmeric face mask didn't really remove the acne marks or hyperpigmentation, but what it did was clean my face very nicely. So I think I can use this face mask to my routine like once a week or something, not every day. We shouldn't use this mask every single day. That is not good. It can strip your face from all the essential oil and make you very dry. Actually, I had that problem. I was feeling that my skin was becoming drier. So I'm normally an oily skin person, so I don't always think about my skin becoming dry, but this face mask did make my skin dry. I felt that. Second thing, it works on active acne. So if you have any acne that are active, you can just spot treat with this face mask on the acne every day and it will get rid of that. Right now I am having one acne here and I am trying to use that face mask on this acne, and while I was using that face mask I already had a few acne and it really calmed the acne down. So this is a good acne treatment if you have acne problems. I know that turmeric has antibacterial properties, so that is why it is acting on the pimples and acne. So you can definitely use it in your skincare routine once a week if you have oily skin, but if you have dry skin then you have to do your own research. I don't think it is good for dry skin. Or you can add some oil into this face mask if you have dry skin. Yeah, that will work, I guess. But if you liked my video today, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to me and comment down below if you have used this face mask before. And yeah, if you have any other face mask for me to try for 7 days, do comment down below. I love doing these things. Do comment down below. Okay, bye.